Hello and welcome back to my English classes after a long time. I hope you are safe and well at home. Now today we are going to see the explanation of class 8 literature lesson, the history of women's cricket. Now first I will read the paragraph and then I'll keep on explaining the chapter paragraph wise. The sport of cricket has a known history beginning in the late 16th century. That means cricket was introduced in the 16th century. The history of women's cricket can be traced back to a report in the reading Mercury on 26th July 1745. That means पहले तो बॉयज़ क्रिकेट खेलते थे, जेंट्स क्रिकेट खेलते थे, बट वुमेन्स क्रिकेट वॉज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड in 1745 and a match that took place between villages of Bramley and Hambledon. ओके, इंडिया में नहीं बट फॉरेन कंट्री में ये स्टार्ट हुआ था इन 1745 नियर गिल्डफोर्ड इन सरने. द फर्स्ट women cricket was played in 1745 in Surrey. Now we will see the history of women's cricket by Rosalind Ferguson. That's not cricket. This explanation has entered the English language as an idiom, used when one person does something that another person considers to be unfair or unsportsmanlike. That means it is an item that's not cricket. Now the person who was watching this, they considered it that it is not a cricket. Okay, why it is not cricket? Because here one person does something that another person considers. Agreement एक तरीके से कि कोई कुछ कर रहा है, दूसरा उसको सपोर्ट कर रहा है. To be unfair and unsportsmanlike. It is not like a sport according to the person. The implication is that cricket traditionally called the game of gentlemen. Why it was not said? Because here the women were playing, not the gentlemen. पुराने टाइम में सब लोग सोचते थे कि क्रिकेट क्या है, खाली जेंट्स का गेम है. Sets the standard for fair play. Means playing, when gentleman is playing, then it is a fair game. But if women are playing, then it is not a fair game according to the people. Whether the players are professional sportsmen or villagers who get together for an informal match. Informal means कोई बहुत बड़े स्केल पे मैच नहीं हुआ था, विलेज में ऐसी हुआ था, छोटा मोटा रूल्स लेके they have played the cricket. They are expected to treat one another as gentlemen would with honesty and respect. ठीक है, यहाँ पे वुमेन्स प्लेइंग क्रिकेट को अच्छा नहीं माना गया था उस टाइम पे. ठीक है, फॉर मेनी ईयर्स हाउएवर इट वाज फेल्ट दैट द स्पोर्ट बिहेव्ड वेरी अनफेयरली टुवर्ड्स अ ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल हु मेक अप हाफ ऑफ द वर्ल्ड्स पॉपुलेशन, द वुमेन. यहाँ पे मतलब क्या है कि दैट how the population is increased? Because only women can give birth to the child. तो हाफ जनरेशन या पूरी जनरेशन क्या तो कैसे बनी है? विद द हेल्प ऑफ वुमेन. तो वुमेन को यहाँ पे नीचे क्यों देखा जा रहा है? इफ द वुमेन्स आर प्लेइंग क्रिकेट, दैट डजंट मीन इट इज अनफेयर. Because but at that time it was believed that cricket was only the game of gentlemen, not the women. The Marylebone Cricket Club, that is MCC in London, England, is widely considered to be the bastion of the sport. Bastion means a place or a group of people that protects traditional principles and standards of an activity. Means अब यहाँ पे क्योंकि हम क्रिकेट के बारे में देख रहे हैं, तो to keep the principles and rules and regulations, honesty in the game. ठीक है, founded in 1787 MCC was formed in 1787, which took care of these rules. It revised the laws of the game that had been played in various forms for more than 200 years. पहले जब प्रॉपर रूल्स नहीं बने थे तब क्रिकेट कोई भी कैसे भी खेल लिया करता था, कोई भी रूल उसमें जाल डाल दिया करता था और खेलता था. बट नाउ एज MCC has given the certain rules and regulations for the cricket, so now the people have to follow those rules. ठीक है. These included LBW rule, which had already been rewritten at least once before. जैसे होता है ना, कुछ चीज़ें हमको मालूम होती हैं रफली, लेकिन एग्जैक्ट मालूम नहीं होती है. तो LBW was played before also, उतना लोगों को नॉलेज नहीं थी. But when the law was made, then it was considered as LBW. The rules relating to the way the ball is bowled. Okay, means LBW का जो बॉल फेंकने का तरीका है वो डिफरेंट होता है, जिसमें आप LBW हो जाते हो. The modern overarm bowling system was originally classed as a no ball. ठीक है, पहले उसको क्या बोलते थे? It is a no ball, LBW को. But now LBW is different and no ball is different. Membership of MCC, however, was restricted to men until the closing years of 20th century. That means before 20th century and in 20th century. पहले क्रिकेट को खाली मेल्स के लिए रिस्ट्रिक्ट कर दिया गया था. Only males were allowed to play cricket. Before the historic decision to admit female members in 1998, by the end of 20th century, that means in 1998, the approval that ladies can also play cricket. Before that, it was not allowed that the ladies should play cricket. The only woman apart from domestic staff, ठीक है, allowed to enter the club's pavilion at Lord's Cricket Ground had been Queen Elizabeth II. Who was the first woman to go for the cricket? Was Queen Elizabeth II as the official patron of the club. She went as a renowned person, ठीक है, of the club. She could hardly be refused admission. मतलब there was no chance कि कोई उनको in the team क्या दो या in playing cricket, she was hardly refused to play there. Meanwhile, cricket was being played with great enthusiasm by women since the 18th century. Means women used to play cricket in the 18th century, but it was not approved by MCC. It was only approved in 1988 कि officially the women were allowed to play cricket. An article in an English newspaper on the July 1745 talks about a match played between 11 maids of Bramley and 11 maids of Hambledon. Means you know that in cricket there are 11 players. So 11 players maids. कौन थे maids? जो लोअर कैटेगरी में काम करते हैं उनको मेड्स बोला जाता है. सर्वेंट्स यू कैन से इन अदर वर्ड्स. दे हैव मेड अ टीम इन ब्रैमले एंड हैम्बल्डन, ऑल ड्रेस्ड इन वाइट. पुराने टाइम में जब आपने अगर क्रिकेट देखा होगा तो पुराने टाइम में था दे यूज टू वेयर वाइट ड्रेस ओनली. टेस्ट मैचेस देखा होगा है ना. अब नाउ दे हैव चेंज, but in the beginning they used to wear only white. It goes on to make the admiring remark. Okay, admiring remark means a positive remark, motivation remark. ठीक है. The girls bowled, bat, ran and catched as well as most men could do in that game. The same way the ladies also used to play the cricket. ठीक है? And people to some extent they have admired that not only gents are playing but here ladies are also playing in the same way. यहाँ पे कोई वो नहीं है कि लेडीज कमजोर हैं तो नहीं खेल पा रही हैं या रूल्स चेंज कर दिए. नो, दे आर फॉलोइंग द सेम rules. Bramley and Hambledon are villages in South England, and in its early years, the women's sports are largely confined to this region. Confined to this region, that means in 18th century, they have started playing cricket, but वो वहीं तक limit था, क्योंकि it was not official. तो वो वहीं पे बस उसी जगह पे वो लोग खेल सकते थे. It was not gone out. Players ranked in age from teenage girls to women in late middle age. Means the playing age was the teenage, that means from you can say 13-14 से start करते थे, and middle age कितना हो गया 45-50, ठीक है, around. Sometimes a team of single women would compete against their married counterparts. Because middle age पे आते थे, some ladies used to get married, even then they used to continue playing cricket. According to legend, it was a woman, Christina Willis. Christina Willis was a legend, एक renowned person थी, who pioneered random bowling. Pioneered random bowling means round arm bowling, sorry, to be the earliest in any field. ठीक है? She was the lady who was pioneered into the now familiar overarm because her hand became entangled in her skirt when she bowled underarm. Entangle means cotton, मतलब उसका तो अचानक से फंस गया उसकी ड्रेस में, लेकिन उसको एक नया तरीका दे दिया गया, that was round arm bowling. Sadly, this legend has since been discredited. Discredited means ये एक्शन होने के बाद कि उनका ड्रेस फंस गया था बॉल फेंकते समय, she was dishonored. Discredited means she was not honored. And the male cricketer Tom Walter is now hailed as the first round arm bowler. Because इनको ऑनर नहीं दिया गया तो अब किसको फर्स्ट माना गया है? टॉम वॉल्टर को. बट इन रियलिटी, ओके, क्रिस्टीना विलिस was the first person who introduced round arm bowling. By the late 19th century, the game was being played professionally in England by two touring teams known as the original English lady cricketers. Officially, by the late, क्योंकि 1998 में इंट्रोड्यूस कर दिया गया था, officially that ladies can play cricket. So, in the 19th late century, okay, England was the first place where officially the women's cricket was originated and played. And that was original English lady cricketers. Large crowds would come to watch them play, in the rather patronizing words of an 1890 cricket annual. As an exercise, cricket is probably not so served as lawn tennis. Okay, it is not served as lawn tennis. It is not considered as lawn tennis, and it is certainly not so dangerous as hunting or skating, and if therefore the outcome of the present movement is induce ladies more generally to play cricket, we shall consider that a good result has been attained. That means cricket is not considered as a type of lawn tennis or any other game. Okay, it was totally a different form of game. ठीक है? Little did these early female players know that it would be another 100 years before their successors gained full acceptance and recognition. स्टार्टिंग में क्या था, क्रिकेट बहुत ज़्यादा इंट्रोड्यूस्ड नहीं था एंड इट इज़ नॉट ईजी टू प्रिपेयर अ टीम. खाली इंग्लैंड में इस चीज़ को रूल आउट किया गया था एंड दे वर प्लेइंग. बट gradually when people came to know of that ladies can also play cricket, so they have taken interest in making lady cricketers, and that is why gradually the team was made everywhere. The women's game soon spread to Australia. That means from England now it turned to Australia and then to another countries including New Zealand, South Africa and West Indies, Denmark and the Netherlands. Gradually धीरे धीरे ये चीज़ स्प्रेड हो चुकी है. A young Tasmanian woman called Lily Pullett Harris, whose brother was a member of the state cricket team, founded the first Australian club for female cricketers in 1894. ठीक है, ऑस्ट्रेलिया में फर्स्ट क्लब कब फीमेल्स के लिए कब स्टार्ट हुआ, 1894. As captain, she led her team to many victories in her traditionally short career. In a very short period of time, she has played as a captain for the team. She died of tuberculosis at the age of 23 in 1897. That means 1894 से 1897 में कितने years हो गए? 3. Okay, so only in 3 years she has experienced and she has worked as a captain of the Australian team. By the mid 20th century, there were women teams all over the world. ठीक है, by the mid of 20th century, competing against one another in international games. Like gents used to play cricket बाहर बाहर जाके, वैसे now lady cricket team has also started playing outside the countries. One of the most famous female cricketers of the modern era is Rachel Howe Flint. She is a well-known women's cricketer. Born in 1939, she played for England women's cricket team in the 1960s and 70s. 60s or 70s में she has played many games. Captained by Harriet Flint, the team won the first ever women's cricket World Cup in 1973. ठीक है, that means वर्ल्ड का जो फर्स्ट क्रिकेट टीम लेडीज़ का हुआ था and they won it was 1973. After retiring from the active participation in the game, she devoted her time to write, broadcasting and making speeches on the subject. After retiring from the active participation means sports में भी एक time limit होता है कि by this time period, by this age they can play. उसके बाद क्या होता है, इन लोग रिटायर हो जाते हैं and they work as coaches for the. In 1991, Hay Hui Flint applied to join the MCC and was refused. हो सकता है उनकी एज ज़्यादा हो गई हो, तो she was refused. Her skill and achievements undoubtedly matched and probably exceeded those of many of club's male members. मतलब even she was so good cricketer that male were also affected by her game. ठीक है, but she was a woman, therefore ineligible. Because she was a woman, she was not allowed in the MCC. Okay, this rebuff spurred her into companion for the abolition of what was widely regarded as an antiquated rule. Means she was so depressed by this thing कि वो lady है तो उसको allow नहीं किया गया, though she was capable of playing better. ठीक है, तो उससे इन्होंने इस चीज़ को abolish किया. She protested for this thing. The 21st century was fast approaching and equally was a norm in most other walks of life. मीन्स ये जो एक्शन लिया गया, they have little bit changed the rules. Finally, in 1999, Hebu Flit was chosen to be one of the first 10 female members of the MCC. After protesting against this thing that she was capable, but because she was a woman, she was not allowed to join the MCC. But in 1999, with the efforts of Hebu Flit, she was chosen as the first 10 female members of MCC. The others included Andrew Collins, former president of the Women Cricket Association. Okay, who was the former? Madam Audrey Collins, who began playing in the 1930s and continued for more than 40 years. She played for more than 40 years. A women's team was formed and played its first match a few months later. Okay? These two ladies have formed a good women cricket team and then they played. At last the women's sport stood on an equal footing with the men's. जब उन्होंने अच्छी टीम बना ली, they played, they got success. So now they have equal rank as men have. In the words of Tony Lewis, then president of the MCC, we could not claim to be a great cricket club unless we had women's team and women's members. Now here, Mr. Tony Lewis has agreed this, that without women's cricket team, we were incomplete. We would have not get famous or success. I hope you have understood the chapter. Thank you.